Hello, can everyone hear me? Great. Good afternoon. My name is Long Fan. I am the CEO and co-founder of Top Flight Technologies. Top Flight is a profitable Boston-based aerospace company led by an all-MIT alumni engineering and management team. We design and build heavy-lift, long-range UAVs for inspection, surveillance, and cargo transport. There we go. Most drones today operate using batteries, and batteries have limited energy density and thus limited performance. Our drones at Top Flight utilizes Top Flight-developed micro-hybrid engines, providing 10 times the energy density of batteries at 1/10 of the weight. We offer exceptional price performance compared to traditional technologies such as helicopters. We have many active use cases with our partners and customers around the world, including active members of the MIT ILP community. This includes island-to-island cargo transportation, road, bridge, and infrastructure inspection, and plant and disease inspection in agriculture, and even mobility solutions for robotics. We are always looking for scientific and industrial partners in technology collaboration, business and commercial partners in new market developments, companies looking for advanced drone and UAV solutions, portable energy and power generation, software, sensing, big data, AI-driven solutions, and manufacturing and supply chain partners to help with scaling. We offer 60-day mission-ready UAV programs for our customers. Please contact us if you have any interest in working with Top Flight Technologies. Thank you.
I'm Tim Herzl from Zapata Computing, Vice President of Engineering. So Zapata is connecting businesses to the power of quantum computing. So what's all the excitement about quantum computing? Well, really briefly, an algorithm such as factoring that today takes 317 trillion years to solve, one day with quantum could take 10 seconds. Right, so this is a major impact. Now, to be clear, this version of quantum is still at least a decade away, but even the on-ramp to this technology is exciting, and it is time to get started for some of the near-term capabilities that are on the horizon. So in order to take advantage of this, there's two key challenges that we see for businesses like you. So first, it's understanding how your domain problem maps to a quantum computable problem. Right? So this is a really complex linear algebra problem, and on top of that, it's not just finding a way to do this, it's about finding a way that is good, scalable, and efficient to do this. Even getting to the front door of quantum computing is actually a pretty big classical computing challenge. Secondly, you want to keep your optionality when it comes to all the different hardware platforms that are available today and increasingly coming available. It's really early to pick a horse in this race. Moreover, different problems map better to different types of quantum hardware, so you really want to make sure you understand which hardware is best for you and your application. So what does Zapata bring to this? We bring, first, a world-class team of experts in near-term quantum computing, but secondly, we also bring a software platform that's specifically designed to solve these types of problems. So we call it the Zapata OS, and it's just like the OS on your computer. It's all the tools you need to take advantage of this hardware. So in quantum, this means the low-level tools, these low-level software primitives such as gates, circuits, and Hamiltonians, and other things we can teach you about. But it also means having the high-level architecture that lets you scale these real solutions on the considerable classical and quantum resources that are required to solve these problems. The outcomes today for our customers are understanding which of their problems are well-suited for quantum, for near-term quantum computers, allowing them to develop their own quantum roadmaps, and then also securing valuable IP within their field. So our ask is, in the next 12 months, we're looking for 3 to 5 customers ready to commit 6-figure deals towards quantum readiness. We've gotten traction in chemistry, optimization problems, and machine learning challenges. So please come visit us at our booth downstairs, and we can talk more in depth and really get into it, and we look forward to it. Thank you very much.
So I'm Winston Yan from Arbor Biotechnologies. My co-founder David Scott and I did our PhDs in the lab of Feng Zhang at MIT, and then after our PhDs, we started Arbor with Feng and David Walt. So at Arbor, we are creating new technologies to empower human health and to improve human health and sustainability from unlocking microbial diversity. So we are all the beneficiaries of microbial diversity and the products that they create. For example, if you start off with the clothes that we wear, they're kept clean with detergents from microbes, biofuels that power how we got here today. We have all of the R&D around us that's powered by reagents that are made from microbials. And then furthermore, we even have therapeutics that help keep our friends and family healthy. The challenge is that we still need to find more of these solutions, and finding better solutions is really not done in an efficient way. In Arbor, we believe that nature contains these solutions, but the way of accessing that vast diversity has been done in a haphazard and serendipity-driven way, if you will. So what we want to do is we're discovering optimized protein solutions from nature by putting together a number of recent innovations. The 4 that we've collected together are, first, taking advantage of massive increases in the sequence database, where you have just literally the insight into the molecular constituents of new protein technologies from nature. Computing power allows us to take these massive databases and search for exactly the proteins and their new functions. We translate interesting protein sequences directly into functional experiments using DNA synthesis. And finally, we can begin to match the scale of computational discovery using our high-throughput experimental platform for protein production and assaying. So the key is integrating all of these together into a single platform, and that gives us a huge advantage in efficiency of discovery. So what have we done so far? Our first use case was in the field of genome editing. So genome editing is really the perfect example of a natural microbial technology that has been transformative. So that protein is CRISPR-Cas9, and then it's just been a revolution in the way that we can modify DNA. So the most widely used protein today is Cas9, but at Arbor, we applied our platform to discover new CRISPR proteins to expand the gene editing toolbox. Immediately, we found 5 new whole families of CRISPR proteins. So for context, that represents our output in 1 year from a team of 12 people is half of all of the research progress that's been done for the last 4 years by the whole field. So from that, we started a partnership with Vertex to translate these genome editing technologies into additional tools for gene and cell therapies. So we have 2 asks for you. One is if you're interested in using CRISPR proteins, come talk to us. The Vertex deal that we have only is for 5 therapeutic areas, so there's plenty of opportunity to work together. The second is that if you're interested in using our discovery platform for the expansive possibilities, please start discovery conversations with us, and we'd love to figure out a way to work together. So my co-founder, David Scott, and I will be downstairs, and we'd love to talk with you. Thank you.
Today, it is possible to fix broken parts of the body with a dose of new human cells. That's quite shocking. But these regenerative medicines have the power to cure diseases such as cancer, Parkinson's, and type 1 diabetes. However, the industry is struggling to manufacture these human cells at scale and in a reproducible manner. And what we're doing at Celino is we're building the first automated platform to generate sheets of functional human tissues that can be used for cell replacement therapies to cure diseases. Today, cell sheet engineering doesn't fully incorporate the latest advances in image-based machine learning technologies. And we heard a lot about a lot of advances today. And what we're doing at Celino is closing that loop. We're building a system that takes imaging data and then selects individual cells either for removal, genetic modulation, or single cell barcoding. And what that really allows us to do is to train a machine to manufacture human cell sheets in an automated manner. Ultimately, our technology is based on an imaging platform and a single-cell laser system that allows you to purify cells with single-cell precision, differentiate them so you can go from a stem cell state to a mature cell state, and also do that in a patterned manner with subcellular resolution. We have a very versatile platform. However, we've decided to focus it in an area of high clinical unmet need, which is the human retina. There are millions of people globally that are suffering from vision loss. And today, there aren't many FDA-approved therapies to cure these diseases. The current approaches of retinal cell therapies are showing great promise in the clinic. And we're automating the manufacturing process to bring sight back to millions of people. And that is ultimately our goal at Soleno. We'd love to work with many of you to make that goal a reality. We're looking to talk to pharma companies on cell therapies and drug screening, with tech companies regarding image analysis, machine vision, and automation, as well as with optical laser technology companies. My name is Nabia Zakline. I'm the CEO and co-founder at Soleno, and I'm here with my co-founder, Marina Madrid, who's VP of Operations. So we'd love to chat more today. Thank you so much.